Hey everyone, Al Bagden is here, Managing Director of Architecture and Platforms here at FP Automation. We work with construction companies who are tired of finding out about margin problems after it's too late to do anything about them. And the core of what we do is turn Microsoft Fabric and Power BI into a real financial control center. Not just the reporting layer, but something that actually drives decisions and what we call the application layer. Today I'm kicking off a short series where I walk you through a construction demo we've built and I want to show you why we built it the way we did. The number one thing we hear from construction CFOs and ops leaders is that they have data and lots of it sitting in their ERP like D365 F&O and Acumatica, their project systems like Procore and payroll in Excel. But nobody has a single version of the truth or what we call a canonical model. And by the time the work in progress or WIP schedule is closed and the job cost report hits, the damage is already done. So we asked, what if you could see all that unified in real time? In this demo, we covered 6 areas that we see costing construction companies margin every single month. First, we're going to be talking about the WIP schedule and EAC, or estimate at completion, visibility. Revised estimates versus earned value, over and under billings by job, and which projects are significantly off forecast. This will help your management team to spot anomalies within jobs and focus on ensuring they understand why these are happening in order to prevent job leakage and potential costs that could go off the rails, causing profitability leakage for your business and for your jobs. Second, we'll be talking about individual job cost performance by cost code so you can see exactly where labor, materials, or subs are running hot before it compounds. Third, we'll be talking about change order tracking, a very hot topic within the construction space. Approved versus I status or in progress change orders and not yet approved change orders, all in one view. So nothing falls through the cracks and scope doesn't become a surprise write-off. It's important you understand exactly what change orders are in progress and which ones you need to make approved in order to have contractual obligations by your clients to pay you for your services. Fourth, we'll be talking about retainage. Full visibility into what's eligible, what's held, and where you might be leaving cash on the table. While contracts dictate exactly how jobs work with milestones in place, allowing you to unlock retainage for your company, that doesn't necessarily mean that operationally your team is carrying out those contractual obligations. So it's important you have visibility into these numbers so that you understand where and where you can unlock retainage. Fifth, we'll be talking about labor hours and forecast accuracy. Because in construction, you're forecasting the remainder of the job every single month, if you can't see where hours are actually going versus where you projected them, that forecast is just a guess. And six, something I'm really excited about, we've used AI to compare estimated units versus actuals when it comes to PO unit purchases and flag where a potential change order might be warranted. That's the kind of insight that is used to require a senior PM digging through spreadsheets for hours. And we'll show you why this is so important and how this became something that saved a company millions of dollars within change order requests that were actually issued, which may have never been caught if it wasn't for AI categorizing their particular item units in this case. Now, this demo is focused on reporting and visibility, but in the future, I will be showing you how we layer in scenario planning through Acterys. So you can stress test margin, model staffing changes, and actually plan toward from the same data you're reporting on. That's the difference between a dashboard and a decision-making system. If any of this resonates with you, we run a working session to map your top value leaks and build a path for measurable ROI in 60 to 90 days. Stay tuned for this walkthrough. It starts right now. Thank you, and this is Alp signing out.